Hello students. Okay, observe here. This is the third condition of profit maximization. So this is the short run diagram. This is the long run diagram. So as you know that any firm wants to reach the situation of profit maximization should be fulfill three conditions. One is price should be equals to marginal cost. Second one is marginal cost should not decrease at Q naught. And third one is that should be divided into two parts. One is short run, another one is long run. Okay. Under the short run, price should be equal. Okay, equal or greater than. Price should be equal or greater than of AVC in the short run. And in the long run, price should be equal or greater than of AC. Price should be equal or greater than of AC. So first we should discuss about the short run. So this is the short run diagram. Observe here. This is the short run diagram. So under this, how the firm will get profit, more profit. So here it is not possible to get more profit when the price is less than of AVC. Less than of AVC. So here in this diagram you can observe here. This is the SMC, short run marginal cost curve. This is the SAC, short run average cost curve. This is the average variable cost curve. Average variable cost curve. So on the OX axis we measure the output. On the OY axis we measure the price and cost. Price and cost. Here this is the price line. This is the price line. We have to understand here. So that should be, price should be greater than AVC. That time only firm will reach the profit maximization situation. Firm will reach the profit maximization situation. But here you can observe here, this is the price line. This is the price line. Here the marginal cost curve just intersect the price line at the point of A. Point of A. That means here the cost is more. Otherwise the cost should be equals to price. Here price should be equals to marginal cost. First condition is clear. Price should be equals to marginal cost. First condition is clear. The second condition is the marginal cost curve should not decrease at the Q naught. So Q naught means here you have to imagine Q naught. At this point, what's happening here? The marginal cost is increasing. So that is also second point also, second condition also clear. That means marginal cost curve should not decrease at Q1. It should not decrease at Q1 or Q0. So here it is not decreasing. What's happening here? It is increasing. So that's why even second condition also clear. There is no doubt. Marginal cost curve equals to the price line. That is P is equal to MC. And here the marginal cost curve decrease and not decreasing. See, it is not decreasing. It is increasing. Okay, at the price line. So that's why two conditions also fulfilled. And third condition is price should be greater than average variable cost. Price should be greater than average variable cost. Is it? See, this is the average variable cost. If it is come like this, definitely it will be success. At this point only firm will get more profit. But here what's happening? The average variable cost is more than the price line. More than the price line. Here is the price. Cost is here. For example, price is 10. Cost is 20. Cost is 20. That time is it possible to produce goods and services? No, highly impossible. Why? Because cost is more. Okay. Cost is more than the price. Cost is more than the price. That's why any firm not possible to get more and more profit. According to this, according to the conditions, the first condition is clear. That is P is equal to MC. Yes, the price line should be equal to the marginal cost. Here intersect at the point of A. Clear? And second one, marginal cost curve should not decrease at the point of Q0 or Q1. So it is the equilibrium quantity. Here definitely it is not decreasing. It is increasing. That's why even second condition also clear. Then what about third condition? That third condition is price should be equals to average variable cost or greater than. Price should be greater than of average variable cost. But here what's happening here? Here this is the average variable cost, but price is here at the point of A. So both are not intersecting. Both are not intersecting. That's why that condition is not fulfilled in this situation. So that's why Q1 is not a perfect equilibrium to earn more profit or profit equilibrium. Here you have to understand total revenue, that is P into Q. Price and quantity. Here price means that is vertical height of OP. vertical height of OP, okay, price, and quantity, that is width OQ1, you can observe here is equal to P into Q. Okay, to earn more revenue, we have to calculate more profit, we have to calculate this. Price is vertical height of OP, into width OQ1. So that is, we can identify the area rectangle OPAQ1. Okay, but should be, it comes like this only, but it is not increasing. If you calculate this point, suppose if you calculate of this point at point A, is the price line equals to MC? Is the price line equal to MC here? Price line is here, but average variable cost here. The marginal cost does not, it is not touching here. So that's why this is the first condition is not success. Second condition, the marginal cost curve should not decrease, but it's not touch here also, even not intersect also. So that's why this point is not perfect quantity. So at this point only it's good, but it's a perfect point, but the third condition is not successful. So here, when the average cost is increasing, price is what's happening here? Decreasing. If the price is more than the average variable cost, that time only firm will earn more profit. If the price is greater than of average variable cost, that time only firm will earn more and more profit. But what has happened here, in the short run, it is not possible to change all the factors of production. Okay, it's highly impossible to produce all goods and services, or not possible to produce more goods and services, because if produce like that, the average cost will be increased. Average variable cost will be increased. Average variable cost means per unit of the cost expenses incurred on per unit of output. The expenses incurred on per unit of output, that is average variable cost. Here what's happening in the short run, if the firm produced a continuation of the production, that time cost will be increased, price will be decreased. Here price is decreasing and cost is increasing. This time the firm not possible to earn more profit. That's why it is not fulfilling the third condition. So that's why Q1 is not a perfect quantity. Once again I repeat, according to the three conditions. First condition, price should be equals to MC. Price should be equals to MC. Is there? Yes, exactly. This is the price line, this is the MC. Marginal cost, both are right. First condition is clear. Second condition, marginal cost curve should not decrease at Q0 or Q1. So it's not decreasing. It is what's happening here? Increasing. Should not decrease, right? It is increasing. Your second condition also fulfilled. But what about the third condition? Price should be greater than of AVC in short run. Otherwise, price should be equal to AVC. What's happening here? It is not. Price should not increase or greater than the AVC. Here, what's happening? AVC is greater than price. AVC greater than price. So that's why firm will get loss. Why? Because average variable cost is more and price should be less. Average variable cost is more than the price. So that's why firm will get more loss. So this is not a profit maximization situation. Okay. So this is the area, but this not earn more profit. If it is come like this, that this time the marginal cost should not intersect here. When it is increasing, but should not intersect when price line also below the AVC. Okay, if we just come to the long run, P is greater than AC or P equals to the AC. So in this diagram, okay, on the y-axis we measure the output, on the y-axis we measure the price and cost. So according to three conditions, first condition is P is equal to MC. If you check this quantity Q1 at this point, yes, P is equal to MC, right? Because this is the price line, this is the marginal cost, long run marginal cost, this is right. Second option, marginal cost should not decrease, yes, it is increasing. Then price should be equals to AC. Is it possible? No. What's happening here? Price, like average cost is more than the price. Okay, average cost is more than the price. But actually it should be like this. Price is more than the AC or price should be equals to AC. But This is wrong. Here is what's happening in this diagram. We are observing AC greater than P. That means average cost is greater than price. Because average cost curve is here, price line is here. So that's why average cost curve above the price line. Above the price line. That's why cost is increasing, price is decreasing. If the price decrease, even profit also decrease. That's why Q1 is not a perfect quantity to earn more profit. Okay, always if this curve intersect here, suppose this curve intersect here, this is the perfect point. But what's happening here? This curve not intersecting here, this is above the price line. Above the price line here, the firm will not get the profit maximization. And at the B, you can observe here, this is dotted line. So here, average curve is intersected, but price line is here, below the average cost, below the average cost. Which one? The price line is below the average cost. That's why at this point or at this quantity, the firm will not get more profit, or otherwise it is not a profit maximization. So these are the conditions. First one is price is equal to marginal cost. Price equals to marginal cost. Second one is marginal cost should not decrease at the Q0. The marginal cost should not decrease the Q0. And third one, what is that? Price is greater than AVC in the short run. Why? Because in the short run, not possible to produce all goods and services, and not possible to change all the factors of production. Okay, so here the price should be greater than of AVC. Yeah, that time only firm will get the profit. If the AVC is greater than price, that time the firm will earn loss. So this is called as loss. Okay, this is called as loss. Okay, definitely firm will earn loss. Not possible to earn more and more profit. And in the same condition, we should observe that is price should be greater than of AC. So here, definitely when the price is in the long run, we can change all the factors of production. Here you have to observe price should be greater than of AC. Price should be greater than of AC. But what's happening here? AC is a greater than of P. So that time the firm will earn loss. This is called as loss. Okay, this is called as loss. Okay, if it is intersect here, definitely the profit is this one, but firm will earn loss. Why? Because what's happening here, average cost is more than the P in the long run. Okay, these are all conditions under the profit maximization.